Imagine this: you're staring at a blank wall, a cluttered corner, or a room that just doesn't feel right. You dream of a space that truly reflects you, but where do you even begin? Interior designers? Expensive. Endless Pinterest scrolling? Exhausting. What if I told you that in just a few clicks, with a completely free AI tool, you could conjure up dozens of stunning, personalized room designs? Designs that transform your space from mere to marvelous, even if you've never designed a thing in your life. Yes, it's real. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how. Forget those hours spent agonizing over paint swatches or trying to visualize a sofa in a different spot. That's old news. We're living in the future, where AI isn't just writing essays or making art, it's redesigning your living room. This isn't some complex software for pros. This is for you star. It's for anyone who wants to revamp their home without breaking the bank or hiring an expert. So, how do you unlock this design magic? It all starts with your phone. Or any camera, really. You simply snap a photo of the room you want to transform. Got a messy bedroom? A dreary office? A kitchen crying out for a refresh? Great. That's your canvas. You take that picture, upload it directly to this incredible AI tool. I'll show you exactly where to go in a moment, and boom. Step 1, done. Easy, right? Now, here's where the fun truly begins. Once your room is uploaded, this AI doesn't just slap on some random decor. No. It asks you, what's your style? Do you dream of a minimalist sanctuary? A cozy, rustic retreat? Maybe something bold and industrial? Or a vibrant, bohemian escape? You get to pick from a whole menu of design aesthetics. Modern, Scandinavian, Art Deco, traditional. You name it, it's there. And if you're not sure, just try a few. That's the beauty of it. No commitment, just pure exploration. You click that generate button, and then, hold your breath. In seconds, literally seconds, the AI takes your ordinary room and reimagines it. It applies the style you chose, adding furniture, textiles, lighting, even changing the wall textures. You'll see your room transformed, looking like it just stepped out of an architectural digest. Picture your cluttered desk replaced with a sleek, minimalist setup. Your dull walls, now a calming pastel. Your old sofa, magically updated to a chic, modern piece. And the best part? It gives you multiple options. Not just one, but several unique takes on your chosen style. This means more inspiration, more possibilities, right at your fingertips. Now, here's a little trick that most beginners miss, but it's a game changer for truly personalizing your designs. After you get those initial amazing renders, don't just stop there. Many of these free AI tools let you add custom prompt star. Want a specific color palette? Type it in. Make this room predominantly emerald green with gold accents. Want to see a specific type of furniture? Add a mid-century modern credenza. Or maybe you want to explore different lighting moods. Cozy evening lighting. The AI will then take your existing generated design and refine it based on your exact words. It's like having a conversation with your personal interior designer, telling them exactly what you envision. This unlocks a whole new level of creative control you wouldn't believe was possible with a free tool. But it's not just about aesthetics. This AI can help you visualize layouts too. Ever wondered if moving your bed to that wall would work? Or if a larger dining table would fit? You can try different arrangements virtually, seeing how light flows and how space is utilized, all before you even lift a finger in the real world. And color schemes. Forget those tiny paint chips. You can experiment with bold new palettes or subtle shifts, instantly seeing how a vibrant accent wall changes the entire mood of your room. Imagine cycling through a dozen different color combinations for your living room in minutes, not days. The power is truly incredible. So, there you have it. No design degree needed. No expensive consultations. Just your room, your vision, and the incredible power of free AI. You can spend an afternoon just playing around, generating endless ideas, discovering styles you never knew you loved. It's empowering. It's fun. And it's completely revolutionizing how we approach home decor. Stop dreaming about your perfect space and start seeing it. Go ahead, give it a try. Search for free AI room designer online, grab a photo of your room, and prepare to be amazed. If you loved seeing how easy it is to bring your design dreams to life with AI, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I've got so many more game-changing AI tools and tricks coming your way to make your life easier and way more creative. Don't miss out. Until next time, keep exploring and keep creating.